My video guide is about removing the scary pop-ups coming from the site Watchintenselyoriginaltheproduct.vip. These are deceptive pop-ups and actually fake Chrome browser update alerts. These pop-ups, by the way, try to mislead people and to make them download and install some potentially unwanted extensions into the Google Chrome browser. What kind of software is installed depends on some other parameters, such as the geographical location, your regional or IP settings, things like that. So in most of the cases, these pop-ups by the site Watchintenselyoriginaltheproduct.vip try to make you download some unwanted browser extensions that may hijack your browser, your default homepage, search engine, and other settings. Please be careful, don't interact with these pop-ups, they are fake and totally deceptive. In case any third-party extensions were installed into your Google Chrome, you should get rid of them. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. So if you find any third-party extensions here, you need to deactivate and remove them. I also recommend researching the system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, and the best place to get it is on the website combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and begin researching your device with its help to detect and delete other threats from your computer. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.